In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're dealing with a typo, a sequencing issue, or just managing your records more efficiently, changing an invoice number is a straightforward process. So let's get started and walk through the steps to make this task as simple as possible. First, head over to the QuickBooks Online webpage and log into your account. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Choose QuickBooks Online from the list of available options. Now enter your account credentials, your username and password, and click Continue to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales menu. You'll find this crucial tab in the left side navigation panel. Sales is your gateway to managing all transactions and related documents in QuickBooks, including invoices. Now, within the Sales menu, go ahead and click on the Invoices tab. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all your previously created invoices. Now, find the specific invoice you wish to edit. Once located, to the right side of your chosen invoice, you should see an Edit option. Click this to open the invoice in the editing view. This is where you make all the necessary changes to invoice details. In this editing mode, you'll be able to directly access and edit the invoice number. Simply click in the invoice number box and make your desired changes. Be precise and double check accuracy to ensure your invoices reflect the right sequence or information necessary for your business operations. If you're unable to see the invoice number or are unable to edit it, there's a quick tip to help. Make sure you have enabled the necessary settings to customize your transaction numbers. To do this, scroll over to the Settings menu at the top. From there, select Account and Settings. Next, head to the Sales tab, then select Sales Form Content. Here, make sure the Custom Transaction Numbers option is turned on. This setting impacts how invoice numbers can be edited, so ensuring it is on is crucial for this process. Once you're satisfied with your changes, the final step is to click Save to ensure that all your modifications are recorded within the system. Saving finalizes your edits, and your invoice will now reflect the new number. And there you have it. Changing an invoice number in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you can manage your invoices efficiently, keeping your records updated and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your QuickBooks experience smoother. If you have any other QuickBooks questions, feel free to check our channel for more tutorials.